Spread potting soil on a baking tray and place it in the oven. Your plants will thank you. Prepare enough potting soil for your plant. Line the tray with baking paper and evenly spread the soil. It's crucial to moisten the soil. Lightly spray it with water to ensure even moisture. Then, place the tray in the oven. Set the oven to 120 degrees Celsius and bake for 30 minutes. The high temperature will kill any pathogens in the soil. This method is ideal for repotting flowers as it ensures the soil is free from mold spores and harmful larvae, and weeds won't grow. Once the oven is turned off, remove the tray and let it cool completely. This technique even works for old soil, guaranteeing a pathogen-free base for your plants.